Welcome back to the Angry Teacher channel. I'm Richard Ruins, the Angry Teacher, and I know some of my videos have been doing a lot with TpT, but you know, it is what it is. I just thought that this video is going to be that as well. So if that's something that you don't really want to, you're not feeling, then by all means go ahead and click out, but come back for some other videos. Subscribe, like, and ring the notification bell for the next Angry Teacher video. I create one of my products really quickly. All right, and so I suggest that you get some coffee, get some soda. Nope, don't get soda. I'm not a fan of soda. Get some water. Get some lemon and water. That's my favorite. Just get something. Chill with me for a little bit, and we'll see how templates will help your efficiency, help your effectiveness, help you get things done really quickly. All right, let's get into it. So I'm going to make a short story product line, and I normally have, I apologize, you guys can see my messy desktop, and I apologize for that in advance, but I've been trying to crank this stuff out. And so I have a TpT folder. I have several TpT folders that I keep in one TpT folder on my desktop, and I break it down by the different products in my store. And I'll show you an organizational video for TpT later. With that said, I am making a product line based on a short story that I just read. So I find an old one, like you see here, the Sniper TpT that's coming out, so watch for that. So I find one, and then I just copy and paste it on my desktop. So that folder, and I'll show you what it looks like. I will rename it Owl Creek. This short story is by Ambrose Bierce, I think his name is pronounced. And I just read it yesterday, and so I want to make a product line based on that short story. And so there's the folder. So on my short story, so I found an old short story product line or folder, and when I open it up, it has all this stuff. So this one is a combination, and you can see, let me get out of the way here. You can see that it's all about white heron. That's in my store already, and so I'm just going to not reinvent the wheel. I usually start with the lesson activities, which is basically all the activities that you can choose from to use in the lesson. So let me just rename the folder before. Owl Creek. The story is actually called The Incident at Owl Creek Bridge, and so weird. Just a good story. Okay, so I've renamed the folder. So just click into that folder, and then we have all of these. Now I've already made the product for the white heron, so I don't need them anymore. So let's get rid of those. Boom, done. Let's remake the actual PowerPoint, which is called Owl Creek. And so let's open it up. And I'm not going to necessarily walk you through the whole thing, but I'm going to show you how it works. Now, this product has originally 51 slides. We're not doing, well, I don't know how long, let me show you how it works. So I go to my internet browser, and I look at incident at and as you see in the product here, I have a picture of who the author is, the name of the work, and his name or her name there. So let's find an image to show the author. And let me see if Ambrose Bierce. There we go. Let's do that. Okay, so first slide is done. Second slide, and this is a template once again, so this is how quickly I'm going through it. Nothing has changed with the terms of use. I give shout outs to, this is all the stuff that you may or may not do. I don't remember who I got the template from, but I literally paid for it on TpT and was able to use it. And it's probably here anyway. but I don't have time to go over that with you. I told you who I got the fonts from that I use frequently. Sometimes I don't even use that person, that font, Hello Fonts. However, I use it a lot, so I'll just keep it there just in case I change my mind for any one of the particular slides. I also have the different ways you can reach me on the second slide, and that's in every product, so I don't have to recreate the wheel. It's already there. Then we have the contents page. Here's what I'm going to do with that. I got a picture of Mr. Ambrose, Mr. Bierce already. So here we go. Copy and paste. Let's make that bad boy smaller so he can fit right in. Boom. I've already done 5 slides. I'm not completely done because I'm going to have to go back and change the names of all the different activities, but the hard part is done. Then I have the bell ringer slide. I'm going to have, and I've already read the short story, and I have my notes. I have to go get my notebook, but I have my notes. I have to find pictures. Now I try to do real pictures. Everybody else does the clip art, and that's one of the ways I kind of separate myself from the pack. And I use this cool website here, freepick.com. Yes, you have to pay, I think it's like 14 bucks a month, but it's worth it. And you know, you're going to see a lot of things going on my desktop because I'm preparing. I have a slideshow that I do for my kids every year, my seniors, and so I have that going on. I'm doing little cards. I'm going to show you that video a little bit later that I give to each senior, and it's taking forever to write those up. So all of that is open while I'm trying to create products at the same time. Merger, so it's right there. That's what it looks like as a slide, and everything else is the same. Don't have to change anything. I go to the store, I can just cut and paste the pictures, and I go through it and I cut and paste, and that's how I get the product done. And I go through the process, and it doesn't take me that long. So guys, templates are important. Templates are so vital to your sanity and to help you get products out. Now, when you're making the first one, it does affect your speed because you're thinking about what you want the products to look like and the product line and all the products from here on out to look like. So it takes a while when you do the first one, but once you do the first one, make sure you save it, make sure you make copies so you can just input new information and you don't have to reinvent the wheel. I am, by the same token, I am making a freshman orientation product that has several parts, and it's taking me an eternity because the questions, the ideas, the activities are all different. So it's taking me a while. But once I get it together, I can do a sophomore one. I can do a junior, I can do a senior. And so things become a lot easier. So check out templates. Let me know if you need me to do anything else to help you out because we're on this journey together. And I would really like to see you guys blossom the way TpT has helped me, and I'm blossoming. And you know what? If nothing else comes out of this, I am learning how to do PowerPoint a lot more effectively. Yeah. I am doing a lot more with PowerPoint because I never knew all this stuff existed before. All right,
and
so
that's it, guys. That's how we do it. We do a lot of the copy and pasting, but it gets the job done very fast and more effectively, or efficiently. There's some form of uniformity in your product, so you don't have to worry about messing up on one thing or whatever, because it's done seamlessly and you've already had a template, so you can just keep going with whatever you choose to do. So hey, try it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and we'd have a conversation.